more like the 14 na list. Ikaw.
Hindi ako.
Who's more likely to live alone with 49 cats in the future? Wala. Ayaw. Ikaw! Hindi naman ako. Who's more annoying?
Things each and every day. And whether you're an English professor or an English learner, we all could use a second advice to make sure we're always doing our best with learning.
Sa tao, ikaw.
Go! Ay! Who's more naman? Ikaw! Who is actually... Who takes a longer time to get dressed? Who's more likely to marry first? Who's more cool? Ikaw? Who's more likely to fall for a scam? Who's more likely to stay in bed all day? Who's more likely to win a Nobel Prize? Who's more likely to laugh at the wrong moment? Ako. Ikaw! Who's more sensitive? Who's more likely to win? Ako! Who gossips more? Ikaw. Ito sa matik. Forgiving. Who's ikaw? Who's more sarcastic? Who's more likely to get married? Who's more hygienic? Ito siya. Ako. Who's more paranoid? Ikaw. Who's more like ako? Who's better than this? Hey! Who's more...
Wala!
Teka. Who's more afraid of bug? Ako. Who's more gangster? Who's more like...
Bakit naka-reverse? Can you see us?
Who's lazy?
Hindi ka nakita.
Ah!